Good morning, students. I hope you are fine. Today I am here to summarize the lesson Cat's Paradise. Before we start the lesson, first see the introduction. The Cat's Paradise. This lesson is published in 1864, which is written by Emile Zola, a huge animal lover. It is a French fable. Fable, it means a short story in which animals they are used as characters, and at the end of the story we have a moral. This story, Cat's Paradise, this story revolves around a cat who desires to lie outdoors. In the present lesson, the author has talked about a cat whose desire to go outside, to enjoy the outdoors. The present story shows the difference between indoor cat, it means pet cat, and outdoor cats, it means tomcats. We all have seen the cats. Some 10 cats at their home and some cats they are roaming. In the present lesson, we will see the difference between the pet cat and street cats, it means tomcats or outdoor cats. Let's summarize the lesson, the Cat's Paradise. In the beginning, we are given the description of the cat. The cat, her name was Louise. She was 2 years young. She was the fattest cat. Then she is knave cat. Knave, it means lack of experience and knowledge. As the cat was 2 years young, she lacks of experience as well as knowledge. The cat used to stay with a woman, and the name of the woman was Cherry. The woman with whom the cat used to stay, that woman loved the cat most, and due to loving her most, she provided a real bedroom fitted out with a comforter and 3 blankets. It means the woman, Cherry, she loved the cat most, that is why she provided the cat the facility of a comforter and 3 blankets. Not only for sleeping facilities are provided, besides it, the food of the cat, it was lovely red meat. The food which was served to the cat, it was also delicious, and the food that was lovely red meat, not an ordinary like bread or soup or nothing, but the cat is provided lovely red meat. Now see, the woman loved her cat, that is why she provided such facilities, a royal bed for sleeping as well as the food, lavish food, that is lovely red meat. Despite having such comforts, in spite of having such facilities, the cat had desire to sleep out from the house and escape over the rooftops. See, the cat, she was given all the facilities, she was provided with the facilities, comforts. Then also she had a desire to go out from that house and to move over the rooftops. Now why? The softness of the bed which was provided to the cat, it was very soft. That softness of the bed that made the cat ill. Due to having good food, due to having lovely red meat as a food, the cat has become fat, and that was, according to her, it was disgusting. And she was continuously bored in the house, which being happy all day long. as the cat was continuously happy in that house, so that bored her. If we are continuously happy, there is no sadness, there is no sorrow, there is no difficulties, then even many of the times we are fed up. In the same way, the cat was also bored with being happy all day long. We have seen that the cat had a desire to go out of the house to enjoy the happiness over the roofs. Once the cat was able to see a roof just outside the window by stretching her neck. Once the cat was able to see outside from the window and he observed the roof. How he looked by stretching the neck. He observed, now when he looked outside, what he observed? He observed that 4 cats played there on the blue tiles in the warm sun, for bristling and tails erect. The cat observed on the roof there were 4 cats. They were enjoying the warm sun, their hair on their body, they were bristling, and the tails of those 4 cats, they were erect. These are the signs that they were happy, they were joyful. So when the cat observed the 4 cats, they were joyful, they were extremely happy. From that day, the cat was fixed in the notion. From that day, the cat was fixed in the notion, it means idea, that happiness was to be found on the roofs. The cat felt that the real happiness, it was on the roof, not in the house. Then Louis decided to run away. The desire to go out, it became stronger, and finally Louis the cat decided to run away. Now what happened further? One day, Cherry, means the woman, forgot to close the kitchen window, so the cat Louis was able to escape. One day, the woman forgot to close the kitchen window, so Louis the cat managed to escape. He wondered when he went out of the house and he went on the roof, he wondered how beautiful the roof steps were. Sorry, here instead of steps it should be tops. He wondered how beautiful the rooftops were. The large gutters, other thing the cat observed there, the large gutters along the edge exhaled delicious odors. Then his pores were immersed in the fine mud. See, the author has used fine mud. Now mud, it is usually filthy, but here adjective used the fine, because for the cat it was the first time experience. So that was enjoyable for the cat. Even the cat felt as though he was walking over velvet. The cat felt that he was walking on the velvet. So when the cat escaped from the house, he was observing the things around it and enjoying the outlook. So when the cat Louis joined the tomcats, he was happy because for the first time he came out from the house. The pleasant heat of the sun seemed to be dissolving his fat. Even Louis felt that the warm sun, that the pleasant heat of the sun, it helped Louis to dissolve his fat. Then after, something happened. The cat trembled with fear when 3 cats meowing approached. Louis the cat, he observed three cats, and these three cats, they were approaching to Louis, and they were making sound meowing. Due to it, Louis trembled. Trembled, it means shivered with fear. They laughed at Louis and considered him as a scaredy cat. When Louis was afraid, looking at the three cats considered Louis as a scaredy cat. Among the three cats, one old tomcat was cordial. Cordial, it means friendly, having good nature. So tomcat was cordial. He offered Louis to educate how to move outside or how to live the life of street. That would be taught by tomcat. So tomcat offered Louis to educate, and that offer was accepted by Louis. Then Louis was soon following tomcat and his gang as they darted through the streets. Darted, it means jump. Louis was following tomcat and his gang, and as they were jumping in the same way, Louis also enjoying his journey through the streets. Like the tomcats, Louis drank water from gutters, and it tasted sweeter than cream. For the first time, Louis the cat, he drank water from the gutters. And as it was the first experience, that is why Louis tasted the gutter water sweeter than cream. Everything seemed beautiful. For Louis, everything seemed beautiful because his desire to come out from the house, it was fulfilled, and for the first time he was observing the street life. They continued, tomcat and his gang along with Louis, they continued walking beneath the warm sun, enjoying the sights and different smells. They returned to the rooftops. Finally, they returned to the rooftops. Louis and his companions, they returned to the rooftops. When they returned to the rooftops, Louis started feeling hungry. So he asked tomcat what they eat up on those roofs. Louis was hungry, so he asked the tomcat that what type of food they used to eat on the rooftops. In response, tomcat replied, whatever they find. Tomcat, the street cats, they do not have specific food. Whatever they find, wherever, that is their food. So tomcat replied, whatever they find. Louis was embarrassed as he had never hunted for food. While listening the response of tomcat, Louis was embarrassed because till now, when he was in the house of the woman, during that time he was served food, but now he had to search food. He looked around but could not find anything and feared he might starve. Louis, he was afraid. He looked here and there but he could not find anything to eat. So he felt that he would starve. He would starve, it means he would suffer from hunger. Then suddenly Louis saw a man preparing meat through a window. Through a window, Louis had observed one of the men. He was preparing meat. On the man's table lay a juicy pork chop. From the window, through the window, when the cat had observed that one man was preparing meat, he also observed that on man's table there was a juicy pork chop. Without thinking, without wasting the time, without thinking, Louis jumped through the window and onto the table and snatched the chalk. But that was observed by the man, and the man hit hard blow of broom, and due to that the chalk dropped from the cat's mouth, and the cat Louis escaped from there. This was also observed by Tom Cat. So Tom replied, Tom informed Louis that food on the table is not for them, they eat from gutters. Tom Cat informed Louis that the food which is on the table, it is not for them, they have to eat from gutters. Louis was hungry, but he was not able to find the food. Louis had to wait till night for food. The evening mist made him fear. As it was evening time, so that evening mist, it made Louis fear. There was also change in the atmosphere. Rain started, and Louis began to think how dreary the world outside after all. When rain started, once again Louis was afraid, and he thought that how dreary means fearful the world outside. He started missing Cherry's house and his pillows. When he was very fearful, he was frightened, then he started missing his house, that is Cherry's house where he used to stay, and he also remembered his pillows. Tom, during that time, Tom warned Louis about the animal catcher. There were animal catchers on the street. They used to catch animals. So Tom warned Louis about the animal catcher. So after listening about animal catcher and other things, Louis was shivering. Louis started shivering with fear, cold, wind and the animal catcher. Finally, as a food, Louis got 3 dry bones. For a very long time, Louis was striving for food, and finally he got food. But he got 3 dry bones as food. Tom had observed the situation of Louis. So he asked Louis if he wanted to return to his house. Tom had seen the condition of Louis, that Louis was missing his house, his pillows. So Tom asked him if he wanted to return to his house. Louis replied positively. It means Louis was eager to go to his house. But one problem was there, and that problem that Louis had forgotten the way. Louis had forgotten where his house is. Tom took him to his house. Finally, Tom took him to his house. When they reached home, when they reached the house, Louis invited Tom to stay with him. Louis invited Tom to stay with him in the house, but Tom refused. Tom denied. Tom said no. He didn't want to stay with him in that house. Louis invited Tom to stay with him in his house, but Tom refused. Tom denied. Tom waved a bow, and Tom said, I would die in that warm softness. Your life of abundance is fine for spoiled cats. Free cats will never buy your ease and your comforts for the price of being in prison. Goodbye. Tom said to Louis that the comforts, the warmness, softness of Louis cat, it was abundance, and such type of comforts, facilities, they are for spoiled cats. And for free cats, it means the cats, the street cats, will never buy such easiness, such comforts, such facilities for the price of being in prison. It means that tomcat, it means street cats, they would enjoy their freedom. They don't like to be in prison. They dislike captivity. According to Tom, those who are living such life, they are spoiled cats. Then Louis entered the house, he came home, and when Cherry, the woman, saw him, she screamed, bad word, because Louis had left the house and now he returned. So Cherry uttered the word bad word and given the punishment. What kind of punishment Louis was given? He was offered meat. He was offered good food. That was the punishment given by Cherry. Why such kind of punishment given? Because Cherry loved the cat very much. Cherry loved the cat most, and that is why, though she was angry, but as a kind of fine punishment, she offered the cat good meat, sweet meat. Now Louis understands that paradise, this is the message of the lesson. Paradise was a place where he might be locked up forever, but he would always have fresh meat, fluffy pillows, and a fire. According to Louis, what is the paradise? Where we get fresh meat, fluffy pillows, and a fire. And for the street cats, the freedom is a paradise. So students, the title Cat's Paradise, in that the word paradise, it means heaven, place of joyfulness, place of happiness. Now that paradise, it differs from person to person. For some people, that luxurious life, lavish life, it is a paradise. For some people, that their work, it is a paradise. For some people, if very less things, then also they are happy, and such type of lifestyle, that is paradise. So paradise or heaven, it differs from person to person. For Louis, the paradise, that is different, and for tomcats, the paradise, that is different. This is all about the third chapter, Cat's Paradise. Before watching the video, first read the lesson carefully and then watch the video. Already you are given the question answer, so write in your register and learn them.